Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video we are going to unbox this wall mount for the Amazon Echo Dot. This is by Mount Genie, and I'm going to have another video where I'm going to explain about how to install this, but this particular video is just going to be about unboxing and going through what is inside this box, all what is included with it basically. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so this is a perfect match for the third generation Echo Dot. Obviously the Echo Dot is not included with this particular package, but I just have one here to give a good example of how this fits in there once we open it. So they also have a second generation, which is doesn't look as pretty as this one right here. So make sure you buy the right one. All right, let's get started opening this. Oh, okay, we have a tape here. Let's get that open real quick. Okay, there you go. Well, actually, let me go through the box real quick. So that's the back of the box. It says everything is included. And it has some social media links here. The brand is called Mount Genie. Okay. So let's open it. All right. So this is what, and it has this bracket made of, looks like steel or aluminum. That's like, feels like steel. So it has a instruction here, how to make a hole, how to mark it, make a hole, etc. Okay, and here is the device itself. So this is a plastic cover. I'm not gonna use this because it looks so ugly. It looks like I have a French drain on the wall. Yeah, so I would rather just, I was thinking just using it like this. See, that just looks great. I mean, to me, what else would you like? I mean, what else would you expect? I mean, this is good. Okay, it fits very snugly. I mean, I have to, oh shit. Hopefully I can get this out. Yeah. All right, so it fits so snugly that it left impressions here on the side of the Echo Dots. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. It's just a plastic piece with two screw holes there, and it has a big hole here where you can match it up with this to I guess power and line out facing downwards or upwards. Is it downwards or upwards? Yeah, it's probably upwards. Yeah, put that on the top actually. It's just plastic. So if you want to buy this, I'm gonna put the link in the description. This is, I think, the best or the cleanest looking, best looking way for you to put an Echo Dot on the wall, which is going to be flush. It's gonna look really nice. I think this is going to work like this, where when it's installed, yeah. And I'm not gonna cover how to install it in this video. This is just unboxing. So it comes with 2 large wood screws, and it comes with I don't know what this is for. I think this is just a prying tool. Yeah, so if you have it in there, you can basically put this in, clip it, and you can use it as a prying tool to pull up the Echo Dot because it's so tight in there. It has a double stick tape. Okay, I guess I don't know what that's for. Probably to make sure that it sticks in there. 2 screws. I bet you these 2 screws are for here. Okay, and let's see what else. Okay, actually, let me see. Does the screw? Yeah, the screw fits exactly here, so that must be for that. And we have an extension cable for the power, so that goes right here. And that's going to allow you to put this in longer places. Let's see how, I'm gonna check how long this cable is. Okay, cable is pretty long. I think it's about 7 feet. So you have 7 foot worth of cable that is included. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. That's everything that came with it. And I forgot how much I paid for this. I'm gonna put the price at the bottom here, and if you want to buy this, obviously, again, I'm gonna put the link in my description. Would appreciate if you use my link to buy this. It helps support this channel. And yeah, I'm gonna have another video explaining how to install it, and the finished product when it's on the wall is gonna look really nice. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you want to buy, use my link. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.